Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. My snack plant did some unexpected thing and I just thought to share with you. Though it's quite normal in my place, but for many of you this may be something new. Here is one of my snack plant which is growing quite well. Actually I planted 4 plants together in this pot. Now please take a look at the pot. Crazy that it's already broken by new offshoots. The pot was not a low quality either, but still they are doing it as if I was using a very thin pot. They have covered the entire pot and just after planting them, this is how it was. Anyway, at this stage we can do only one thing and that is repotting. Otherwise, it's going to be too difficult to water them. If it happens with you, please repot your plant as soon as it's possible, or else the tips of the leaves are going to turn brown as it would be too difficult for the plants to get enough water. First, let's take out the plant from the pot. As the pot is already damaged, let's damage it a bit more and it will be much more easier. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult to take out the plant from the pot. Quite surprisingly, we can see many new offshoots. They are really struggling to reach the surface of the pot. Let's repot them in a bigger pot, and for that I am going to use one 14-inch wider and 14-inch deeper pot. For the fresh potting soil mix, I am doing it this way. Normal garden soil 30%, cocopeat 25%, vermicompost 25% and rest 20% perlite. In case you don't have perlite, please use sand. I am not sure about you, but it feels great to repot such huge plant. Though it's a difficult task, I feel happy. Of course, they are getting bigger as they are getting proper care. Repotting is done and I hope very soon I am going to have even bigger snack plants. In case you don't have snack plant, I believe you should grow them. They are quite low maintenance plant and perfect indoor plant as they purify air. So that's it. It's a short video and I just wanted to share my happiness with you. In case you want to see all the updates of these snack plants, then please do check out my next video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and enjoy.